Somewhere high above the noise of the world, lies a place where silence speaks. This is Vagamon Orange Valley Hills, where the clouds drift low, the hills stretch endlessly, and time seems to stand still. Every turn reveals another masterpiece of nature, mist hugging the slopes, green carpets rolling into the horizon. Here, the air carries peace. The sky carries dreams. No filters. No hurry. Just you, and the sound of the wind through the valley. Welcome to the calm side of Kerala, where every breath feels like a prayer. Vagamon Orange Valley Hills, heaven, found in the clouds.